Except we need to be honest, we actually need to say the truth. Khayelitsha is a suburb in comparison with its counterparts, Yabo, Oma, Cooks, Lang, Nyanga, Crossroads, Lower. Come on, man. Khayelitsha is literally a big brother of those communities. Khayelitsha is an amazing space. I'm working till 12 o'clock late, and I'm like, go shushu because Khayelitsha is summertime. In these communities, Kyabanda, winter, it's horrible, man. Khayelitsha is summer, because Khayelitsha is cultured, the gods favor us. So I'm like, go shushu, and then I go outside, take my laptop, take my camp chair, there's a field in front of my house, and then I just chill, have a good time, work for about 3 hours, and I go back inside the house. If that was Cooks or these other communities, but not Khayelitsha, because we are civilized people. I mean, maybe it's because we coast, right? Sea breeze, sends us fall. We are relaxed people, we are cultured. Inlanders, frustrated, it's horrible, man. So Khayelitsha, because we are highly civilized people, nothing happens. No, because we are a highly cultured people. But in other communities, whoa, God. Once when you Khayelitsha, you better know Litrokwe from these inlanders, these primitive communities. That's why in civilized communities. That's why in a civilized world. That's why in a cultured world, be a Khayelitsha. This is why we call it Khayelitsha culture, because we are cultured. You better respect the Khayelitsha. Put some respect. Big brother Khayelitsha boy.